Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will discuss brake discs in a car. We will discuss what a brake disc is, its function, and the symptoms of a bad or failing brake disc. But before we continue, please hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to see my video. So, what is a brake disc? A brake disc or rotor is a key component of a car's braking system. It's a flat, round metal disc that rotates with the wheel. When you press the brake pedal, the brake pads clamp down on the disc, creating friction and slowing down or stopping the wheel's rotation. Now that you know what a brake disc is, let's examine its functions. The purpose of the brake or brake system is to safely and reliably decelerate the vehicle, regardless of its speed. The brake also needs to keep the vehicle stationary when the driver is not there and when the vehicle is located on a slope. Here are at least 5 functions of a brake disc. Number 1. Heat dissipation. When you apply the brakes, kinetic energy, the energy of motion, is converted into heat due to friction between the brake pads and the disc. The brake disc acts as a heat sink, absorbing and dissipating this heat away from the braking system. Proper heat dissipation prevents brake fade and the loss of braking power due to overheating. Number 2. Stopping power. The primary function of the brake disc is to provide stopping power. When the brake pads clamp onto the disc, the friction slows down the wheel's rotation, ultimately stopping the vehicle. The brake disc's size, material, and design play a significant role in determining a vehicle's braking performance. Number 3. Durability and longevity. Brake discs are designed to withstand immense heat and mechanical stress generated during braking. Some performance vehicles are typically made from high-quality materials such as cast iron, carbon ceramic composites, or even lightweight aluminum. These materials ensure durability and longevity, allowing the brake disc to withstand repeated braking cycles without significant wear or deformation. Number 4. Noise reduction. A properly functioning brake disc contributes to smooth and quiet braking. Any irregularities or damage to the disc's surface can cause vibrations and noise during braking. Therefore, maintaining a smooth and flat surface on the brake disc helps reduce noise and vibrations, providing a more comfortable driving experience. Number 5. Safety. The brake disc is a critical safety component of a vehicle. Its reliable performance is essential for effective braking, especially during emergency situations. A well-maintained brake disc ensures responsive braking, reducing the risk of accidents and collisions. Regular inspection and maintenance of the brake disc and the entire braking system are crucial for ensuring optimal safety on the road. In summary, the brake disc plays a vital role in the overall performance, safety, and reliability of a vehicle's braking system, providing heat dissipation, stopping power, durability, noise reduction, and safety benefits. Now that we have examined the 5 functions of a brake disc, let's discuss the symptoms of a bad or failing brake disc. Braking causes a lot of friction and heat, and both the brake pads and rotors will wear over time. While regular servicing should pick up any issues with these components, there are symptoms that, during everyday driving, indicate that the rotors may need to be inspected and maintained or, perhaps, replaced. Here are at least 5 symptoms of a bad or failing brake disc. Number 1. Vibration or pulsation while braking. One of the most common signs of a failing brake disc is a noticeable vibration or pulsation felt through the brake pedal or steering wheel when braking. This sensation occurs due to uneven wear or warping of the brake disc surface. As the brake pads make contact with the uneven surface of the disc, it causes the vehicle to shake or shimmy during braking. Number 2. Squealing or grinding noises. If you hear high-pitched squealing or grinding noises when applying the brakes, it could be a sign of worn brake pads or damaged brake discs. As the brake pads wear down, they may come into contact with the metal surface of the disc, resulting in squealing sounds. Grinding noises typically occur when the brake pads are completely worn out and the metal backing plate rubs against the disc, causing damage to both components. Number 3. Reduced braking performance. A decrease in braking performance, such as longer stopping distances or the need to apply more pressure to the brake pedal to slow down or stop the vehicle, can indicate problems with the brake discs. Warped or excessively worn brake discs may not provide sufficient friction for effective braking, compromising overall stopping power and safety. Number 4. Visible signs of damage or wear. Visually inspecting the brake discs can reveal signs of damage or wear. Look for grooves, scoring, cracks, or other irregularities on the disc surface. Rust or corrosion on the disc's surface can also indicate moisture ingress or prolonged neglect, affecting braking performance and reliability. Number 5. Brake fluid leaks. A failing brake disc may be accompanied by brake fluid leaks. If you notice puddles or stains of brake fluid beneath the vehicle, especially near the wheels, it could indicate a leak in the brake caliper or brake line. Leaking brake fluid affects braking performance and poses a safety hazard, as it can lead to brake failure if left unaddressed. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible to diagnose and address any issues with the brake discs or other braking system components. Ignoring brake problems can compromise safety and lead to more extensive and costly repairs down the line. If you like my video, please hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.